Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to combine scanned PDFs into one single file. Let's begin. Here are the PDF files I want to merge. As you can see, I have 3 different PDFs, but you can have more or fewer depending on your needs. To do this, the first thing we need is a web browser. This method works completely online, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer. Open your browser and head to a search engine. Now, search for Combine PDF. You'll find many websites that offer PDF merging tools. For this tutorial, I'm going to use I Love PDF, as it's one of the easiest and most reliable options. Click on it and then upload your PDF files by selecting them or simply dragging and dropping them onto the page. Once the files are uploaded, you'll see them listed on the screen. Make sure they're arranged in the correct order. To change the order, hover your mouse over a file until the cursor turns into a 4-arrow icon. Then click and drag the file to rearrange it. For example, I want page 1 first, followed by page 2, and then page 3. After setting the correct order, scroll down and click on the Combine PDF button. The website will take a few seconds to merge the files, and once it's done, the combined PDF will automatically download. You can find the file in your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file, scroll through it, and you'll see that all pages are now combined into one single PDF. Before, these were separate files, and now they're merged together. And that's how easy it is to combine scanned PDFs into one file. Thank you for watching.